I've just unboxed my new set of LED strip lights, and today we're going to set them up and then I'll show you the final results. The first step is to actually test the strip lights just to make sure they work. There's nothing worse than spending all the time and effort to put these lights up only to discover that when you're ready to turn them on, nothing happens. So we're going to connect the power adapter, which is the black thing, to the LED connector, which is the white thing. On the other end of the LED connector, you have three cables sticking out, two of which are the same. Take one of them and connect one of the rows of LED strip lights to it. Now I'm going to take the power source and plug it into the wall outlet. So it looks like the lights work. In the meantime, let's test the stickiness of the strip lights. I'm going to peel away the wax backing. Looks like it's fairly sticky, but I'll probably use some extra tape or maybe even some nails to reinforce the strip lights so they don't fall off the wall over time. So now I've taken the second roll of LED strip lights and we're going to connect it to the first one by matching up the little RGB 12 volts tabs marked on the strip. Take a look at that. The second LED strip lights light up. So to keep them together, we're going to wrap a piece of Scotch tape around the two connected LED strips, and then we'll start putting up the LED strip lights onto the wall. And here's the final result with both LED strips up on the wall. It comes with a remote so you can power the strip lights and adjust the colors, dim it, or make it flash. Or you can download their app and connect it to the strip lights via Bluetooth to control the LED strip lights and even use its scheduling feature to automatically turn on or off the lights at a preset time. In a follow-up video, I'll come back and show you more of how the app works.